Struggling to find an AI voice tool that can actually sing or rap, not just talk? Let me introduce you to Uberduck. This is a complete Uberduck AI tutorial for beginners covering how to use Uberduck AI for vocals and text-to-speech review, based strictly on Uberduck.ai. The website offers full-featured synthetic vocals including text-to-speech, text-to-singing, text-to-rapping, and voice conversion. You also get API access for coding projects and speech-to-speech. The newest tool lets you create AI music with lyrics in seconds, generating songs for any event without musical experience. It handles 70+ languages and hundreds of styles. There are 4 plans. The starter plan costs $2 per month when paid yearly and includes 1,000 monthly credits, a non-commercial license, AI image generation, AI-generated raps, and API access. The creator plan is $5 per month billed annually, offering 3,600 monthly credits, a commercial license, private voice access, AI image generation, AI-generated raps, and API access. The Pro plan costs $30 per month on a yearly subscription, giving you 25,000 monthly credits. Everything in Creator plus private voice access and a 24-hour support response time. Finally, the Enterprise plan requires contacting sales for custom pricing and includes everything in Pro Plus, over 500,000 monthly credits, professional voice clones, custom application development, a dedicated Slack channel, custom AI image clones, and fully managed audio and video production services. Tell me your idea in the comments, and see you in the next review.